Hello guys. Welcome back to PC Resolve channel. In this video we are going to see how to solve 100% disk usage in Windows 10. Watch the video fully so that you can solve your problem without any errors. Solution 1. Restart your PC. If this does not solve your problem, follow the other solutions. Solution 2. Open this PC and right-click in the blank space and click Properties. Go to Advanced System Settings. Now, go to Advanced tab. Click Settings under Performance Group. Go to Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory Group. Now reduce the page file or click Automatically Manage Page File Size. Now click OK. Click OK. Solution 3. Type Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Scan your PC. If you are using any antivirus, run Quick Scan or Full Scan. I recommend Full Scan as it scans your PC thoroughly. Some virus can be running in background which may result in 100% disk usage. Solution 4. Search Windows Update in the Windows search bar. Update your PC. Leave your PC on and take a break so that the updates will be completed. Solution 5. Bloatwares may also be the cause of 100% disk usage. Check out the detailed video on how to de-bloat Windows 10 so that you won't have any trouble completing this step. Now let's continue. Download the file from description and extract it. Open the file named Windows De-bloat Master. Right-click on the file named Windows 10 De-bloater and run with PowerShell. Press Y and hit Enter. Click Remove all bloatware. Wait for some time. After it completes, restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss the upcoming videos.